Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss about Fritsch classification of algae. Fritsch recognized 11 classes of algae. In that, first class is Chlorophyceae. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene and xanthophyll as like that of higher plants. Starch is a reserve food. Cellulose is the main component of cell wall. The motile cells have 2 or 4 equal flagella at the anterior end. Sometimes flagella are more. Reproduction by isogamy and isogamy or oogamy. Most of the members are haploid, some are diploid, example siphonales. Few are isomorphic alternation of generation between haploid and diploid. Most of the members are freshwater forms and few are marine. Class 2 is Xanthophyceae. The chromatophores are yellow-green. Chlorophyll B is absent. Beta carotene and xanthophyll are abundantly present. Pyrenoids are absent. Oil and fat are the storage products. The cell wall has high content of pectin than Chlorophyceae. The 2 flagella are of unequal length. Sexual reproduction is rare and isogamous. Freshwater species are common than marine species. Class 3 is Chrysophyceae. The chromatophores are brown or orange colored containing chlorophyll A, fucoxanthin and diadinoxanthin. Fats and leucozine are the reserve foods. 1 or 2 flagella are present in motile cells. Cellulose cell wall is absent. Sexual reproduction is rare and isogamous. Class 4 is Basilarophyceae. Chromatophores are yellow or golden brown containing chlorophyll A and C, beta carotene and xanthophylls like fucoxanthin and diatoxanthin. Fat and volutin are the reserve foods. Pyrenoids like bodies are present. Unicellular or colonial fresh or marine water members are present. They are diploid. They are radially symmetrical or bilaterally symmetrical. The cell wall is silicified and ornamented, consisting of 2 halves, the epitheca and hypotheca. Sexual reproduction involves formation of oxospores. The male gamete of centrales has a single pantanomeatic flagellum. Class 5 is Cryptophyceae. They have 2 large parietal chromatophores containing chlorophyll A and B, carotene, diatoxanthin, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Carbohydrates are the reserve foods. Motile cells are biflagellate. Class 6 is Dinophyceae. Chromatophores are numerous, discoid, brown or dark yellow containing chlorophyll A and C, carotene, dinoxanthin. Pyridine oil and carbohydrates are the reserve foods. Majority of them are unicellular with a transverse and longitudinal flagella. They are plankton organisms more widely represented in sea than in fresh waters. Class 7 is Chloromonadini. The discoid chromatophores contain excess of xanthophyll. Pyrenoids are lacking. Oil is a reserve food. The motile cells have 2 flagella. Class 8 is Eugleniae. Several green chromatophores are present. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and B, beta carotene and xanthophylls. The reserve food is paramyelin. Euglenoid cells are naked. Flagella are 1 to 3 arising from an invagination at the anterior end. Class 9 is Phaeophyceae. Brown algae restricted to marine, a few are freshwater. They have parenchymatous tissues with complex external and internal differentiation. The simplest types are filamentous. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and C, carotenes and xanthophylls like fucoxanthin and diatoxanthin. Reserve food materials are laminarin and mannitol. Cell wall contains alginic acid and fucinic acid. The motile stages are pear-shaped with 2 unequal lateral flagella. Sexual reproduction ranges from isogamy to oogamy. Life cycle is different in different species. Class 10 is Rhodophyceae, mostly marine. Simplest forms are filamentous. Most of them are complex forms. The chromatophores are red containing the photosynthetic pigments phycoerythrin, phycocyanin together with chlorophyll A and B and carotenoid tetrasanthin. Reserve foods are fluoridine starch. Polysulfate esters are found in the cell walls. No motile stages. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. The carpogonium and spermatozoa or antheridia are the sex organs. After fertilization, gonimoblast filaments and carposporangia are formed, which are haploid or diploid. Class 11 is Mixophyceae or Cyanophyceae. Members of this class abundant in freshwater and in terrestrial habitats. Some are marine. They are unicellular, colonial or filamentous. Filaments are simplex or may show false or true branching. The cells are prokaryotic without a nucleus, nucleolus, mitochondria and Golgi bodies. Endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplasts are absent. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and C, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, myxoxanthin and myxoxanthophil. Reserve foods are proteinaceous cyanophysin and cyanophysian starch. Sexual reproduction is absent. The thallus has mucilage sheaths. If you like my video, please share with others and subscribe. Thank you.